Here's how to find your X password. Now, if you're in the X app here, unfortunately, you cannot see the password directly in the app or x.com. However, there are two places to be able to see it. You can always open up Google Chrome on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And first, we're going to go to google.com. So go to google.com, and at the very top right, you'll see your profile picture. Just tap on that profile picture, and then tap on Manage Your Account at the very top. After you've done that, you'll be able to see it takes you to myaccount.google.com. All we need to do is swipe over and tap on Security here. And then from here, scroll down until you get to the option that says Password Manager and Manage Passwords. This will show you all of your passwords, but if you have a passphrase, it might not show up on here. You can check another place just by tapping on the three dots at the bottom right. And then from here at the very top, all these icons, you're looking for the little key icon, tap on the Password Manager. And from here, it'll show you all your passwords. All you need to do is type in X, and you'll be able to see it should pop up with X at the very bottom. Now, if you don't see it in here, the next place I would recommend doing is opening up the Passwords app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. So just search for the Passwords app and find it. Once you've opened that up, all you need to do again is type in X, and you can type in x.com potentially is what it will show up as. You can see X, formerly Twitter. I can just tap on that and I'll be able to see my username, in this case just my email address, as well as the password.